Bonsoir. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Bon, je lance un peu tard. J'avais dit qu'on finirait l'épisode 4 et qu'on ferait l'épisode 5 ce soir. Bon bah non, hein. Non, non. Non, on va juste finir l'épisode 4. C'est déjà pas mal. Bon. Bon. On va lancer ce jeu de malheur. Et voilà, on est parti. On finit l'épisode 4. Ah bah non, on s'est trompé d'écran. Voilà. Voilà quoi. Tranquille, même. Faut que je... Il me semble que j'ai publié les rediffs de hier soir sur Twitch, pas sur YouTube. Il faut encore que je réactive le son. Que je réactive le son des parties dont le son est désactivé, que je fasse les miniatures et que je publie tout ça sur YouTube. Donc ce soir on va pas rester jusqu'à 1h du matin ensemble quoi. Faut que je fasse tout ça, plus du coup que je réactive le son de ce stream là. Que je fasse la miniature et que je le publie aussi sur YouTube. Je raconte ma vie hein, pendant que le jeu se lance, bien sûr. Bien sûr. C'est un plaisir de faire cette petite série avec vous. C'est du miel pour moi. Ah, bon. Voilà, nous sommes partis pour la fin de cet épisode 4. Du coup, il faut qu'on cherche Clem dans le manoir, si je me rappelle bien.
Clementine. Clementine? Everything okay in there?
We're fine. Just leave us alone and let the doctor work.
Ouais, je sais pas ce qui lui fait, mais...
Clementine, you here? Clem? Ain't got time for that. Hello? What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just poking around.
You won't find anything. We already searched the place.
You'd be surprised what people miss. Trust me, I've been doing this for a while.
Where's Clementine?
Don't ask me, I'm not her keeper.
Hey, do I look like I'm in the mood to be jerked around? Where did she go?
Last I saw, she was downstairs with your redneck friend and that college kid who hangs around with him. Why don't you go bug them?
Ok, donc elle est en bas. Elle est en bas avec Ben et Kenny.
Clem? Clementine? Clementine! Come out, please! Kenny?
Oh, hey, you made it back. Good job. Good job.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
What does it look like?
Where'd you get the bottle?
Found it. First good thing that's happened since...
Et Ben, pourquoi tu l'as laissé se foutre une mine?
What the fuck were you thinking letting Kenny get like this?
Hey man, I tried, but he gave me a look like he was gonna rip my face off. He won't listen to you. You think he was gonna listen to me?
To hell with you!
Getting wasted's not gonna help anyone.
Yeah? Well, what is? We are fucked! Molly said there's not a single boat left in Savannah. No way out. We got walkers all around us, that crazy fuck on the radio messing with us. Hell, if now ain't the time for a drink?
Elle est où Clem?
Have either of you seen Clementine?
Damned if I know. Gotta be around here somewhere.
Ben, how did Clementine sneak out of the house?
Hey, don't put all that on me. Omid took a turn for the worse, and Krista asked me to help. I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can here.
Ah, mais tu
She
sers
was
vraiment à
frantic
rien.
and
Hein.
things got kinda crazy. I told Clementine to stay put. What else could I do?
Don't be sorry. Just tell me where the hell she is now.
I think she went out to play in the backyard.
On her own. With no one watching her?
Man, will you get off my back? She's fine out there.
She better be or it's your ass.
Putain, mais Ben, il sert vraiment à rien, quoi. Ah, c'est fou, ça, hein.
Clementine? Clementine!
Bah, évidemment, l'autre tordu, là, qui me stalkait, s'il est tombé sur Clem, c'est bon, c'est fini. Ouh, la Boons! Bonjour, camarade! Le Discord arrive cette semaine. Maintenant, tu le sais. Donc, on est... La forme? La forme.
Doors covered in vines. Don't think anyone came in through there.
Ah, bah elle était là.
Hey, girl.
Come look! Look what I found!
Oui. Oh merde, elle a trouvé un bateau.
Holy shit.
Swear.
Je mets pas Discord sur mon ordi, sinon il va mourir. Déjà pour Twitch, je galère. Ah bah tu peux le mettre sur mobile. Un Discord, ça existe sur mobile. Putain, elle a trouvé un bateau, la gamine. Et dans le jardin en plus. Ça, c'est cool. Bon, et comment il va le bon Labuns là? Ça fait un moment qu'on l'a pas vu ici. Bon, comment il va Omid?
Omid's doing okay?
As well as can be expected under the circumstances. I did what I could for
Ah,
him. Cleaned out the wound.
ah, ça avance cette histoire de visa, c'est cool.
Infection, running a fever. Without antibiotics,
Will you quit pacing? You're making everyone nervous.
Why are you even still here?
Cool, cool.
Hey, if
Bah,
your
bah,
friend
tu
really
pourras plus
can't get
modérer
that
le
ball
live
working, you're taking
depuis la
me
Chine,
with
c'est
you as
dommage.
payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough.
Bah Dieu créa NordVPN.
Well,
You want the good news or the bad news?
Bah les
I
good
think
news.
we could all use some good news.
Good news is, the boat's seaworthy enough. In pretty good shape,
Ah, en
mostly.
mars quand même.
Mostly?
That's the
Bah,
bad
à minima,
news.
t'as une date déjà,
Gas
c'est cool.
tank's empty, and her battery's dead. We need to fix both before she's taking us anyplace.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
Bah, on peut aller à Crawford.
Sounds like Crawford is the one place that has everything we need. Maybe we should try there.
Now hold on a minute.
Oui, tout va
Surely
bien.
we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies,
Je suis
what harm
parti
can it do to
de
ask?
là où on était tous les
Trust
deux.
me, you don't know these people. I do. You showing up with a wounded man, might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here?
The worst kind?
Ouais.
I don't see what other choice we have.
Ouais.
And just how exactly do you figure we do
J'ai été
this?
absent un moment parce que j'étais en panne.
Because from
Et
what
attends,
I've
parce que
heard,
j'arrive pas à suivre le jeu. Je comprends. Ouais, j'étais absent longtemps parce que j'étais en panne. Et en fait, je suis revenu jeudi dernier. Et ça s'est vraiment pas très bien passé. Donc, donc je suis allé voir la patronne et je lui ai expliqué ce qui s'était passé. Elle a compris, elle est de mon côté. C'est vraiment aller un peu loin. Et je suis parti, mais elle a fait en sorte de me filer un coup de main, quoi. Donc c'est cool. Bref, revenons au jeu.
place ain't exactly friendly to outsiders.
That's putting it mildly.
On
We
négocie.
negotiate with them like civilized people. We must have something they'd be interested in taking in trade.
Negotiate?
But du zombie,
Crawford?
exact.
Once again, I have to remind you. You have no idea what these people are like. They'll take what they want and then decide whether or not to let any of you live.
So what? No one has any ideas?
There might actually be a way. I know the sewer system that runs beneath Crawford like the back of my hand. Y'all wouldn't happen to have a map by any chance?
Yeah, actually.
I think I could lead us through so we could pass under the perimeter and right into the center where they keep their supplies. We come up right underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and get out before they even knew what hit them.
Okay, that's not bad. That's better.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together, we could pull it off.
And what do you want in return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford?
We can do this. I know it.
Hell yeah, we can.
Are we seriously talking about this? I mean, what about the risk?
I don't know
Mais
about
toi,
you,
ferme ta
kid,
gueule,
but
toi.
I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer.
Ben la merde.
Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
Non mais il vient pas, hein.
We should go
Il vient pas, il est dangereux.
under cover of dark.
On dirait un Trumpiste avec sa casquette. C'est un peu ça. Hein.
Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before
Non, par contre, le gosse, il vient pas. Hein.
That's
Ah, il
how
fait
I'm
connerie
still
sur
alive.
connerie. Doug est mort à cause de lui. Clem a failli crever. Non, il vient pas. Hein.
Told you to stay in your room. How long have you been there?
Is it going to be dangerous?
It's what gonna be dangerous?
Crawford.
Oui, ça va être dangereux, oui.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omid better and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. Do you understand?
I don't want anyone else to die.
Ah, ça pourrait arriver.
It happened. But we have to take that risk because it's just as dangerous not to.
Non, faut pas lui mentir. Hein.
Guess I should go get ready.
Say what now?
You said you'd need all of us to do this, and you said I'm a big help, remember?
Ah merde, notre
You always
éducation.
said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are, right?
Merde. Mais à mon avis, ils seront pas là-bas.
Find them in Crawford, Sweet Pea.
Why not?
Because they're good people. And Crawford is a bad place run by bad people. I don't think they would have stayed in a place like that.
How do you know they're good if you've never met them?
Well,
De toute façon, pour survivre en cas d'attaque zombie, il faut sacrifier les gosses, les vieux pour gérer les problèmes tranquillement. Ah ouais. Je te conseille quand même de voir les replays qu'on a fait.
Can't I come with you?
Bah, en gros, j'ai un avis sur l'apocalypse zombie. En gros, c'est strictement l'inverse. Bon, est-ce qu'on... Ah, putain. Bah... Pourquoi? Non, mais je vais pas redévelopper la demi-heure de débat qu'on a eu avec les viewers ce jour-là. Ok, je verrai. Ouais, c'est... Mais en gros, si tu veux, pour la faire très très courte, les vieux, je m'en fous, mais les enfants, ils sont plus malléables, donc tu peux en faire des meilleurs survivants plus vite. Ils apprennent tout plus vite. Et encore une fois, voilà, ils sont malléables, ils peuvent s'habituer, ils vont grandir dans ce monde-là. Et ça va devenir des meilleurs survivants que nous. Et ça peut permettre de perpétuer l'espèce humaine, tu vois, après notre mort à nous, tu vois. Et avec des humains, du coup, qui sont plus adaptés à leur environnement. Donc... Ouais, mais pour avoir les enfants, faut garder les femmes. Là est tout le problème. Enfin, bref. En gros, voilà. Mais là, ça fait chier parce que du coup, on est confronté à toute l'éducation sur les 4... sur les 4 épisodes qu'on a donné à Clem, quoi. Le fait qu'elle s'assume et qu'elle prenne des risques, tout ça, machin. Mais là, ça veut dire qu'il faut qu'elle vienne avec nous. Ça me gêne un peu. En même temps, ça impliquerait le fait qu'elle reste toute seule avec Omid qui est blessé dans une grande maison vide entourée de zombies. Et si Omid meurt, elle toute seule enfermée dans une maison avec un zombie, ça me va pas trop. Donc en fait, si elle nous suit et qu'elle reste bien avec nous et qu'elle nous colle, qu'elle reste vraiment dans le groupe d'adultes, il n'y a pas un autre endroit où elle pourrait être le plus en sécurité que ça. Donc en vrai, c'est plutôt une bonne idée qu'elle nous suive. Donc en vrai, ouais, viens.
Okay, you can come, but you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Non, puis il faut qu'elle soit préparée à vivre dans ce monde-là et donc à prendre des risques et à être confrontée à de potentiels d'autres humains qui sont 100 fois plus dangereux que les zombies. Donc
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Nice.
Can I talk to you a minute?
What's up?
I took
Le
another look at
broken,
the
yeah.
boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
So we're gonna have a capacity problem. Boat that size ain't gonna hold more than 5 people, even with one of them a kid.
Me, you, Clem, Krista, Omi, Ben, Marlon.
il y en a un
Assuming
trop.
everyone makes it back alive, that's still one too many. Even if we cut Molly loose. Before this is over, we're gonna have to make a decision.
You're not serious.
Look, I'm just saying, if we want the best chance of...
Déjà, Ben, il vient pas. Déjà.
Who the hell is this?
This is Bree. She can help us.
Good. We're gonna need all the help we can get.
I was a student at the school where Crawford keeps their supplies. I know the layout.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get moving.
Elle est vraiment dans Assassin's Creed.
Hold up just a sec. You ready?
Ready.
Whoa, hold on a minute. You're not taking her with us. Did you not hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you take her in there and they find her...
I'm not leaving her alone in the house with only Omi to protect her. It's just not happening.
For what it's worth, I don't think it's a great idea either.
She's coming. Deal with it.
You heard the man. Let's move out.
Non mais Ben, il vient pas, hein. Que ce soit sur le bateau ou à Crawford, j'en veux pas, hein. Clairement, il va se faire foutre. Ah, il peut nous tendre une hachette ou quoi, j'en ai rien à branler, hein. De toute façon, encore une fois, même s'il survit ou quoi, il vient pas à
Right
Crawford.
underneath the center of Crawford. The old school should be directly above us.
Okay, people. This is it. Remember the plan. We stay
Belle
quiet.
tête de
We
vainqueur,
stay
ouais.
hidden. And we stay together.
T'avais vu ce
We
qu'il avait
find
fait?
what we need, and we get the hell out before anyone even knows we're there. Got it? And that part about staying close, that goes double for you.
Ok.
Let's go.
Genre, y a pas de garde.
Where is everybody? There should be guards patrolling.
What? Are you disappointed?
It's just strange, is all.
I think I see one. Over there by the door.
Okay. Me and Kenny will sneak out, try to take him out quiet. The rest of you wait for our signal, then follow us over. Everybody got it? Okay, Kenny, let's do this quiet. No shooting unless there's no other choice.
Right behind you.
What the fuck?
Y a plus personne à Crawford en fait.
What the fuck is a walker doing inside here? Get inside, fast!
Eh ben d'accord.
Fuck! Fuck! Do you think they saw us?
Definitely.
Réponse, ça fait peur à Clem. Ah oui, mais
What
bon.
happened here? I thought this place was supposed to be secure.
What always happens, I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Oh man, we are so screwed.
No, this is good.
En soi, il a raison. En
Vernon's
vrai,
right. We can deal with walkers easier than armed guards.
I agree. So long as we don't let them box us in, we can still do this. The plan hasn't changed.
The plan hasn't changed? Every time walkers show up, the plan changes. Do you even have any idea how many of them are out there?
Mais
Now,
ferme ta gueule,
you
toi.
want to do a head count? Or do you want to get what we need and get the hell out of here?
Ben la
I
merde.
think I know which way to head.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Tu peux faire des rêves à tu peux faire des rêves à Star Wars, frérot. Ça change rien au fait que tu sois une grosse merde. Et Ben, on le déteste, c'est bon. Là, ce serait le genre de mec à ouvrir une porte avec une grosse croix rouge dessus.
Just keep moving.
Marqué Don't Open Dead Inside, tu vois.
Here.
Looks okay. Everybody in.
Titre.
Figures.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Here. Just give me a sec.
Any idea where we could find a battery?
Maybe at the auto shop. There used to be one in the alley outside the fire escape.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Where can we find some fuel for the boat?
There's a maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be. What about the medicine?
Right here. Nurse's station. They were using it as a medical facility.
How do you know that?
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
Okay, I'll make the run to the maintenance shed for the fuel.
It'll be faster if I go with you. I can take you right to it.
I'll come too.
No, 2 people's enough. You stay here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to get that armory door open. We might need to shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go with you. Watch your back.
Okay, we've got a plan. Everyone be careful. Stay close to one another. We'll all meet back here. Good luck.
What about me? What can I do?
I need you to stay here with Ben and watch over our command center. I'm putting you in charge of it, okay?
Ça va pas y croire une seule seconde.
Ben?
I'm not leaving you with Ben. I'm leaving him with you. Understand?
Par contre, c'est pas une bonne idée de la laisser avec Ben.
Back before you know it.
Va la rassurer un peu quand même. Moi, je suis pas en confiance de la laisser toute seule avec cette merde là.
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. This desk is just like the ones we have in my school. I know it's weird, but I kinda miss it, being in school.
It's not weird at all. So do I.
But you haven't been in school since forever.
Hey, I'm not that old. And I used to be a teacher, remember? American history.
Do you think things will ever be normal again? Just like the way they were before?
I
Non.
don't think so, Clem. I think the best we can hope for is that we'll find a way to survive, to stay together, and to not let this change us. That's what's important.
I guess you're right.
Il faut pas lui mentir à la gamine. Faut pas qu'elle court après des espoirs pour rien quoi. Bon, Ben de la merde, on va pas aller lui parler, il se démerde. Non, si on peut peut-être le menacer, genre s'il arrive quelque chose à Clem, on l'ouvre en 2.
Hey, you need any help with that?
Thanks, I got it. Just once, I'd like to do something useful, you know?
That'd make a nice change of pace.
Wow, no need to agree with me quite so much. Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Well, I'll let you get on with it.
No, wait. There is something you can help me with. Something that's been on my mind. I could use your opinion.
What is it?
It's Kenny. Since I've been helping him work on the boat, I've gotten to know him a little better. He's a good guy, you know? And it's eating me up knowing what I know. I've been thinking about telling him the truth.
Ben, come on. This again?
It's my fault Duck and Katya got killed. If I hadn't screwed up back at the motor inn, they'd still be alive. How am I supposed to just carry something like that around? I have to tell him.
Oui.
I agree.
Oui.
I think you should tell him. Just not now.
You don't get it, Lee. What am I supposed to do whenever he talks about Katya and Duck? Just nod and pretend like it wasn't my fault? I can't do it.
Oui, oui,
anymore.
c'est comme ça, c'est sûr, t'auras pas ta place dans le bateau.
Kenny seems like he's got his shit back together because right now he's got a purpose, but he's still in a real bad place. You tell him now.
Non, moi je suis pas d'accord avec ce qu'il dit, Lee.
We're all screwed.
Pas d'accord avec notre personnage. Tant pis s'il pète les plombs.
Not yet.
On s'en bat les couilles.
I hear you. I'm gonna get back to this.
C'est un ben de la merde. Il nous fait chier, hein, sans déconner. Mais de toute façon, il vient pas. Hein. Il vient pas sur le bateau, j'en ai rien à branler. Hein. Il vient pas. Hein.
Must be the guy who ran this place. Looks like he figured himself as some kind of supreme leader.
All illness medical condition. Ah ouais. Ah ouais, c'est violent, effectivement, les préceptes de Crawford, putain.
The alleyway to the auto shop's down here. You coming or not?
Non, je vais aux toilettes.
Locked. Didn't need to use the bathroom anyway. This must be the door to the alleyway where the auto shop is. But where the hell is Molly? Molly, you out here? Guess I'm not going that way.
Les livraisons à l'arrière. Faut que ce soit écrit en français. C'est bien foutu. Hein.
Well, climbing the fence isn't an option. Herman's. This is the place I'm looking for.
Eh ben c'est super.
Damn, it's jammed tight. Better not get too close.
Ah,
Leave him! He's
les
mine.
zombies ressemblent pas mal aux craquettes de Californie, n'empêche. Ouais, c'est ça.
Where the hell have you been?
C'est complètement ça.
Molly? Molly!
What?
I think you got him.
One more. For luck.
He's wearing medical scrubs. Some kind of scientist or doctor, maybe?
Yeah, well, he ain't shit now.
Bah dis donc,
Did you
elle avait
find
quelque chose de
Sawyer?
personnel contre celui-là. Hein.
But the garage door's jammed. Can't raise it.
Not a problem. Look what I found.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Ah, évidemment. Évidemment.
Take a look around. I'll make sure no stragglers get under this door.
Ok.
It's locked. No way in. It's the panel that controls the hydraulic lift over there. More of Crawford's rules. How did anybody live like this? I'd rather take my chances on the outside.
La bagnole, c'est sûr qu'elle a une batterie. Elle clignote.
I can't reach it up there.
Ah pardon, je baille, je suis un peu fatigué. On a lancé le live un peu tard. Hein. Et le camion, évidemment, il a plus de...
I can see where the battery should be, but it's not.
Perfect.
Quand t'as jamais vu un moteur de camion aussi bien rangé, quoi. Tout a sa petite case. Tout va bien, quoi. Wesh Molly.
Something you need?
What do you think happened to Crawford?
Don't know, don't care. As far as I'm concerned, these fuckers got what was coming to them.
Not a lot of sympathy for all the people who died here, huh?
I have about as much for them as they did for the sick and the old and anyone else they didn't think was fit to belong in their little paradise. So yeah, fuck them.
Ok. Bon, et ce rôdeur dans l'allée, là, avoue, tu sais qui c'est? Genre, c'était ton oncle un peu pervers, c'est ça?
What was all that about back there?
He came at me up on that rooftop, tried to take a bite out of me, so I took care of business. What, you got a problem with me killing geeks?
No, it just seemed like you went to town on him a little more than you needed to.
Hey, you never really know when those things are all the way dead. I was just making sure. Look, you want to get this battery or not? Time's wasting.
Ouais, clairement, elle avait un problème avec celui-là.
So why did you decide to help us?
I told you. I'm expecting a ride on that boat once that hillbilly friend of yours has got it running.
You sure that's all of it?
You want to keep interrogating me, or do you want to get the damn battery and get out of here?
I'm going to have a look around.
You do that.
Looks like it's the hose for the lift hydraulics. No power.
Something you need?
Think I can borrow that hook thing of yours?
I don't know. Hilda and I have been through a lot together.
Hilda?
That's what I call her. Don't judge.
Please, can I borrow Hilda? I'll take good care of her. She won't get a scratch.
En plus, elle nous l'a déjà filé
I got your
la
promise
dernière
now.
fois.
Not a scratch.
I did it.
Ça va tomber d'un coup.
Whoa!
Oui, bah oui.
That's probably not good.
No shit!
I'll try to hold him off. Hurry!
There's the battery. Finally something goes right. It's off. The negative terminal's still screwed on. The negative terminal's still screwed on.
Eh ben, enlève-le! En plus, normalement, on est censé faire l'inverse. C'est négatif puis positif en dévissant, sinon ça fait des trucs pas cool.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it. Okay, follow me.
Ça va, ils arrivent un par un. Tu peux les défoncer.
Move
Hein.
your ass.
Great, now what?
Skylight.
Putain, elle a de la force, hein.
Okay, so now we're on a roof.
Do you ever stop complaining? Come on.
Un Lee qui joue un RP français, quoi.
Come on, what are you, chicken? Jump.
What did you call me? Well, now that you mention it.
Parkour. Ah oui, oui, tout ça avec une batterie de 15 kills dans le dos, ouais.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you've still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! Damn it, what the hell is she doing?
Bon bah minima la batterie c'est bon. Attends, si on peut peut-être aller voir les autres.
You guys need any help?
Thanks, but I think we're almost in.
We're taking care of it, Lee. Don't worry.
Bon, je te laisse à plus. Des bisous la Buns, c'est gentil d'être passé. Quoi?
Little help here.
Bonne soirée, bonne soirée, bonne soirée. Oh, merde. Putain, merde. C'est la merde. C'est la merde.
Lee, do something!
C'est la merde.
We got it.
Break the door with something!
Think that'll hold?
Damn well better.
There's so many of them.
You got the fuel.
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet. Let's get the hell back to the classroom. Give us a hand with these fuel cans. They weigh a goddamn ton.
You're back.
Yeah.
Eh oui.
We made out pretty good, too. Great work, Kenny. How you doing with that door?
Not so good.
Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Les docs maintenant. Grimper douille.
They've already been fired. They're worthless.
Oh de chebelebelebelibilabilou.
Kristen Vernon must be trapped in there.
Attends, ils sont passés par où? Alors?
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole place
Comment
is
ils sont rentrés?
infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look. Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
Et on peut le
There's
forcer?
no way we can bust it open?
Maybe with enough time, but I don't know how much of that we have. Be a hell of a lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Bon, le jeu nous dit que c'est pas noté sur un post-it, donc ça devrait pas être noté sur un post-it.
I'll have to take time to rest later, I think. What is this? A copy machine. Not that it matters with no power around here. Just a bunch of papers. No safe combination, though. Not working. Anna Correa. Guess she must have been a patient here. And what's this? How's it coming?
Slow. Too slow. I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Hey, Doc, I just wanted to thank you for coming with us, and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
I heard that.
Ok.
I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that safe.
Après son avis sur
Good
Omid
idea.
et Molly, je m'en bats les couilles. Ah.
Vernon, Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea. That you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Anna, you don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto
Ah oui,
shop.
c'est vrai.
Maybe you should search it. See what he's got on him.
Ouais, c'est vrai qu'on pourrait aller le loot. J'ai un coup de barre, dis donc. J'ai commencé le stream tard, là ma chère et tendre est venue à la maison avec des burgers, donc là, wow, The Walking Dead sur la digestion, ça fait un peu mal, hein. Ouh. Attends.
Can't open it without the combination.
Et le type s'appelait Logan, le docteur. Mais oh, ce jumpscare de merde. Du coup, Lee il a vu, parce que c'est genre... Ah, il s'est traîné, l'enculé.
This might be just what we need. And what's this? Looks like some kind of code. But Vernon said the safe combination was only 4 numbers.
C'est celle de son locker.
Shit.
C'est celle de son casier. Ah merde, putain.
I found another tape.
Oh, je suis fatigué.
It's dated October 10th.
That's the day after the first one we watched.
Put it in.
Have you made a decision?
I thought you said I didn't have a choice.
Well, technically you do. You can terminate the pregnancy or leave Crawford. Of course, that would be a death sentence for both you and your unborn child.
Maybe that's best. I stayed up all last night thinking about this. Why are we even trying to survive? To keep on living, if this is what it takes? If this is what it's turned us into?
I don't make the rules, Anna.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please help me.
Maybe one day, when things are different, you can try again. But for now, today, we have to do this. No. No.
Attends, mais le médecin, il y est pour rien.
I think we know what happened to Crawford.
More importantly, we got the combination.
Krista, are you all right? What's wrong?
It's
À tous les coups, elle est enceinte.
That was just hard to watch. Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
All right. Let's get those meds and get the hell out of here.
We're in business. Antibiotics, morphine. We take as much of this as we can carry. Okay, I think we're good. This is more than enough for your people and mine. Let's go.
You go on ahead. I want to make sure we didn't miss anything. I'll be right behind you.
Je comprends pas pourquoi elle a
Don't
buté
take
le.
too long.
Je comprends pas pourquoi elle a buté le médecin. On va aller voir dans le. Probablement que dans le casier, il doit y avoir une autre tape, je pense. Une autre take, pardon. Une autre merde. Comment ça s'appelle? Cassette. Une autre cassette.
Logan. This must have been his locker. A videotape?
Parce qu'en soi, c'est terrible, hein. Ils obligent l'avortement, mais je comprends pas pourquoi elle a planté. Genre, c'est pas. Enfin, il y est pour rien, quoi.
Listen, as fun as this was, I have to put a stop to this little arrangement. This is the last I can give you.
Why?
Oberson had someone down here yesterday taking inventory. He's really cracking down. I just can't risk it.
Je retire, c'était un connard, il a bien fait de mourir.
Had a deal.
Yes, we had a deal. We don't anymore.
My sister needs this medicine. Without it, she'll die, or she'll start showing symptoms and they'll take her away. I can't let that happen.
I'm sorry, Molly. I've done all I can, but I have to look out for myself here.
Yeah, that's the Crawford way, isn't it?
Well, shit.
Putain, tu m'étonnes que du coup Molly ait massacré le corps. Donc sa sœur était malade, donc elle est probablement morte. Et du coup Molly vendait son corps au médecin pour pouvoir soigner sa sœur. Pourquoi pas. Mais ça veut dire que l'autre était peut-être enceinte du médecin. L'enfer. Ouais, je comprends mieux du coup. Je comprends mieux.
Jesus Christ! Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Where the fuck have you been?
Sightseeing.
I'll take that battery now.
Oh, yeah, about that.
Quoi?
I'm just kidding.
Oh!
Here you go.
What's that?
Nothing.
You can quit with the act, Molly. I know you're from Crawford.
What? Who told you that?
I saw you on a security tape. Why'd you lie to me?
I said there were stories about Crawford. I never said that's how I knew about it. I never lied to you, and even if I did, so what? I don't owe you anything.
You saved my life twice, but you can't tell me the truth?
Are we really gonna do this now?
I guess that's up to you.
I used to live here with my sister. She was 14 years old. When the dead started walking and Crawford shut itself in, it seemed like a pretty good deal at first. We were safe. We had everything we needed to survive. Then the rules started coming down. No one who couldn't justify their place earned their keep. No one who required special care. My sister was diabetic, and by Crawford's rules, that made her a liability. I kept it a secret, kept her safe for as long as I could, but in the end, I couldn't protect her. That's when I got out. Crawford, they always talked about how their system worked, how anything was better than becoming one of them. But I saw what they'd already become. I just wish I could have seen it before it was too late. Before they came and took my sister away. This is all I have left of her. I didn't have time to take it before I got out of Crawford. I just wanted it, okay?
It's okay, Molly. I understand. She's pretty.
What the hell?
I think that's our cue to get the hell out of here.
Elle est où la hache?
Oh, Jesus!
Shit! Ben,
Sorry. I just got spooked by those bells, and then I heard someone coming.
did you leave Clementine alone?
No, Kenny's with her. We still can't open that armory door. He sent me out to look for something we can use to bust it open. I found this.
Ben? Where did you get that?
I just found it. It was stuck in the door handle at the end of the hallway back there.
Mais putain de merde! Mais putain, mais Ben!
Lee! Shoot this fucker! Thanks.
It wasn't me!
Good going, kid. Nice shot.
Oh, joli! Joli Clémichou! Putain, mais Ben la merde! Mais sans déconner, mais il sert à rien, Ben! Il me casse les couilles!
Oh, shit.
That ought to hold him.
Sure, but now how do we get out?
Through the armory. We can just get this damn door open. Come on, damn you!
This is my fault, all my fault.
What the hell's he babbling about?
Ben, we talked about this.
No, wait. I want to know what he meant. What do you mean this is all your fault?
Kenny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Kid, this ain't the best time. Whatever you did, save it for later.
Fine. Go ahead, tell him.
It's been me all along, putting all of us in danger. Katja and Duck, it was all me. It was all me.
Wait a minute. What are you saying?
It was me who made the deal with the bandits at the motor inn, slipping them supplies. I thought maybe I could keep them off our backs. When it got discovered, That's when they attacked. And that's when Duck...
Kenny, man, I agree with you. You should kick his ass. But now's not the time. We gotta focus on getting out of here.
You little pissant! You're fucking dead! You hear me? Dead! My wife and child! You gotta both fucking kill!
Kenny, listen to me. You can whip his skinny little ass later. But right now, we gotta go.
Nice group you got here.
Not
Thank
the
you.
time, Molly.
If this asshole thinks he's getting on my boat after what he did, he's out of his motherfucking mind! You hear me, shitbird? You can stay behind and fucking rot!
Kenny, we'll sort this out later. After we get out of here, okay?
Ain't nothing to sort out. I just told you the way it's gonna be. The boat's not big enough for all of us. Somebody's gotta get left behind. Might as well be this piece of shit right here.
Il a raison.
I vote we leave it. I'm sorry, Ben. I know you mean well, but all I want to do is get back to Omid, and you put that at risk.
Wait, don't I get a vote?
Si, vas-y,
Of
vote.
course you do.
Ben's nice. He's my friend. We don't leave friends behind. That's my vote.
On second thought, I think I'm gonna abstain. Lee?
I'm sorry, Ben. I've got to do what's best for the group, and that means cutting you loose.
What about the rest of us? Don't we get a say?
Bah, je sais pas qui c'est. J'ai oublié son prénom, mais.
Now can
Ah
we
ouais, elle
go?
s'appelait Brie.
Damn right. Vernon, come on.
Mais elle était pas rousse, donc voilà. Elle avait pas un enfant homosexuel et une fille complètement conne. On comprendra qui pourra.
So much for the armory.
What's left of it?
A few rounds. That's it.
You didn't close that door behind us?
I couldn't. The lock was busted.
Great. Just fucking great. Come on. There's gotta be a way out down here.
Coucou.
Fuck!
It's not gonna hold. Back upstairs.
Lee, look!
Et voilà, l'homme qui tirait plus vite que son ombre. Ah mais là on est tranquille pour un moment. Ah. Quoi? Ok. Ouh, joli Christa, joli joli. Bien wesh. Bouc. Joli.
Come on!
It's all right, Clem. I'm fine. Any way out of here?
This leads to the roof. We might be able to find a way down from there.
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you?
Yeah. Why?
Never mind. I can see the sewer where we came in from here. I think we can do this.
Well, what are we waiting for? Go, go!
Ben, come on, let's go!
Tant pis pour lui. Tant pis pour lui.
Krista? Everything okay?
Omid!
Clem, stay back. Don't get any closer.
I never should have left you. I'm so sorry.
Krista, get away from him.
Hey. Back already?
We got you medicine.
Good. Feel like I could use some. Where's Ben?
He didn't make it.
What happened?
Dumb son of a bitch nearly got us all killed. Lee stepped up and did what he had to. That's what happened.
She'll be
Elle
okay.
comprendra.
I know it's tough on her now, but she'll understand. I did what I had to. She will understand, right?
She's gonna have to if she's gonna make it in this world the way it is now. No easy decisions anymore. I'm gonna go start work on the boat.
Okay, with a little luck, you should start feeling better pretty soon. I'll stay here for a few more hours to check on him. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, Doc.
Yes, thank you so much.
Maybe now's a good time for you and me to have a little talk, in private.
Si veut, Vernon. Désolé pour Brie, mon gars.
About what happened to Bree.
Don't beat yourself up over it. There was nothing you could have done. You want to know the worst part?
What?
I don't feel much. I mean, I don't feel enough. Shouldn't I be broken up over what happened to her? That's how I was when I lost my daughter. When I lost my friends in those first few weeks. But now, it's like I just take something like this in stride. Like this is what our world is now, and we'd better just get used to it.
What did you want to talk to me about?
I know you care about Clementine. Anyone can see that. And I know you want what's best for her. But this plan of yours, putting everyone on a boat with no destination, do you really think that's her best chance of finding somewhere where she can be safe?
Oui.
Because
Oui.
I don't. So I want to make you an offer.
What kind of an offer?
I'll take her off your hands, take her back with me to my people. We're well supplied, well hidden, and a lot of us have had kids of our own. And now Crawford's fallen, we got nothing left to fear from them. She'll be safe with us. Safer than she will be if she stays with you, I promise you. That's what you want for her, isn't it? To be safe?
I'm gonna pretend you didn't say any of this and give you a chance to walk away, which you ought to do right now.
I know you think you're doing what's best for her. And if you were her real father, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But you're not. And staying with you is not what's best for her. If no one else around here will tell you that, then I will.
Non mais
That little girl's in my care. We've been through more together than you can imagine. Anyone who tries to get between me and her, anyone, is gonna wind up dead. You hear me?
Take your hands off me.
non mais et genre le jeu il nous dit, sans déconner, après tout ça, genre le jeu, et puis me rappelant de ce qui se passe après dans la suite, hein, ça évidemment je vous en parlerai pas, mais là le jeu nous dit, genre tu peux dire à Vernon, ouais vas-y. Vas-y prends-la, t'as raison frérot. Non mais...
going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to say thanks for everything. It's been fun.
What are you talking about? Kenny's working on the boat right now. Thought you were coming with us. God knows you earned it.
Yeah, I've been thinking it over. It's not for me. Sounds like it'd be pretty crowded, and I never did like the water.
You sure about this?
I'm sure. I've always done better on my own anyhow. Listen, I'm not much for goodbyes. Tell the others for me?
Sure. You take care of yourself, Molly.
You too, Lee.
Adieu Molly. C'est cool.
And you be sure to take care of that little girl. You know she thinks the world of you.
Good luck.
Ain't nothing to do with luck.
Un peu présomptueux, mais pas faux non plus. Mais elle était cool, Molly. Elle était cool, elle était cool. Et on n'a plus de problème de place pour...
Hey, Sweet Pea.
Kenny's working on the boat.
I know.
What are we going to do after he fixes it? Where will we go?
Ailleurs.
Someplace else. Someplace better. Clem, honey, what's wrong?
What happened to Ben? What did Kenny mean when he said you did what you had to?
J'ai essayé.
You have to believe me. I tried to save him.
Before we leave tomorrow, will we have time to look for my parents?
I'd
Peut-être
like to,
pas.
Clem, but I don't think we'll have time. We really shouldn't stay here any longer. It's not safe. I'm sorry, Clementine. I'm so sorry.
Ah. Encore une fois, hein, faut assumer aussi le fait de pas lui mentir. Hein. Faut assumer le fait de pas lui mentir.
Clementine? Clementine?
Y a plus personne dans la maison?
Clementine? Clementine! Oh, God.
Imagine, ils sont tous partis sans moi.
Clem?
Oh merde!
No. 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 No.
Lee? Lee? You out here? Lee!
Are you crazy? What are you doing out here? It ain't safe.
Lee, where's Clementine? She's not in her room.
Vernon ain't in the house either. What the hell is going on?
Whose blood is that?
It's mine.
Oh my god.
No way. No. No fucking way.
There's no time to worry about me. Clementine's gone.
There's no chance she just wandered off on her own?
No. No way.
Then who the hell took her?
I don't know. Last night, Vernon came to me and offered to take her with him. Said she'd be better off.
Son of a bitch. I knew we couldn't trust that fucker.
Wherever she is, I have to find her.
Okay. What do you need from us?
Clementine's my responsibility. Can't ask any of you to risk your lives over this. This is something I have to do alone.
We're all responsible for Clementine. And in your condition, you may not make it to her in time. She needs our help. All of our help.
Damn right. We can't let you do this alone.
So that's settled then. We'll look for Clementine together.
Thanks, you guys.
C'est gentil.
I appreciate it. Really.
You've always been there for me, Lee. Always had my back when it mattered. What kind of friend would I be if I wasn't there for you now? Bitten or not, I'm with you to the end. You can count on me.
Okay, guys, we should go find Vernon, see if he took her. Let's head out.
What about the boat? We just gonna leave it unguarded?
If someone was gonna take it, they'd have done it already. Besides, what choice do we have?
À mon avis, c'est une erreur de laisser le bateau comme ça. Comme les survivants précédents ont fait une erreur de laisser une voiture ouverte avec des vivres dedans. Mais bah écoute, on a pris la décision. Les étagères sont vides, à tous les coups ils sont barrés ces fils de pute. Maintenant, faut vite rentrer, voir si c'est pas eux qui ont pris le bateau. Le bateau, le bateau, le bateau, vite.
Where the hell are they?
Looks like they got out of here in a hurry.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt.
Le bateau! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
Clementine, are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch!
Hello, Lee?
Vernon, put Clementine back on. I want to talk to her.
This isn't Vernon. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine. But if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
Bon. Est-ce qu'on a tué le garçon dans le grenier? Nous et 25% des autres joueurs, on l'a tué. D'accord. Les autres joueurs ont décidé de pas buter le... Ok. Bon, je comprends pas trop. D'accord, donc on a été 58% à faire preuve de lucidité et d'honnêteté. Bon, ok, pourquoi pas. Est-ce qu'on a pris Clémentine en allant à Crawford? Une majorité à l'avoir fait aussi. Est-ce qu'on a laissé tomber Ben? Ah, les gens ont pardonné Ben quand même. Et enfin, 82% des gens ont révélé la morsure. D'accord. Qui a accompagné Lee? Ah oui, donc là c'est très... au final, c'est assez bien réparti. Même si une majorité de gens partent juste en duo avec Kenny. Mais nous, du coup, on part un peu avec tout le monde, quoi. 14% sans Kenny, quand même, hein. Il y en a beaucoup qui partent sans Kenny, hein. Ceux qui sont en duo avec Ben, je comprends pas. Le duo Ben-Kenny, bon. Et ouais, le groupe complet, là... 16% quand même, hein, le groupe complet. C'était un super épisode. C'était un super épisode. Clem s'est fait enlever. On s'est fait mordre. Ça va être un peu compliqué. En tout cas, on a plus Ben dans les pattes. Donc ça déjà c'est cool. De plus avoir Ben dans les pattes. Puis voilà quoi. Voilà. Ah mais du coup je suis hypé pour l'épisode 5 hein. Comme j'avais déjà dit, je crois que je me répète, mais le début de saison je m'en rappelais bien. La fin évidemment, mais je me rappelle de la toute fin. Mais du déroulement, tout ça machin, pas du tout. Donc, enfin pas du tout. Il y a certains trucs qui me reviennent. Genre 3 minutes avant que ça arrive. Pardon. 3 minutes avant que ça arrive, mais... Non, ouais. Hein. Bah écoutez, que ce soit sur le stream ou sur la rediff, j'espère que vous avez passé un bon moment en ma compagnie. Moi, c'était toujours délicieux. Petit stream court, mais déjà de 1, je suis crevé. De 2, on a commencé en retard. Et de 3, du coup, on finira ça demain 19h, sans faute. Hein, pour ce dernier épisode de la saison 1. Donc voilà. Bref. Moi, je vous fais évidemment d'énormes bisous. Je vais travailler sur les, sur les miniatures. Et voilà. Et voilà. À la prochaine, à demain, à plus tard. Et puis encore une fois, des bisous. Merci d'avoir suivi la rediff ou le live. Voilà.
Horses in Florida, chickens in the stable. If you'll be my one You see people coming from all sides.